Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I like trying different varieties of sweets and today I'm going to share a recipe that I recently tried and enjoyed a lot. This is dates apple kheer. It's so good and rich in terms of both taste and nutrition. So why wait? Let's go right into the recipe and check out all the ingredients that go into making this beautiful kheer. First, I'm going to roast a few ingredients for the kheer. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Next, add a few chopped cashewnuts. Roast it till they turn to a nice golden color. Next, add a few raisins. Next, add a few chopped dates. Once the dates, cashews and raisins have turned to a nice golden color, turn off the stove and keep this aside. For the dates and apple kheer, I've taken 1 large apple. Make sure the apple is nice and sweet. Peel off the skin, grate the apple, and we need to cook this immediately. To a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add the grated apple and cook it for a few minutes. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. You can cook it on high flame. Once the apple is cooked, add a teaspoon of sugar, mix it all well. Turn off the stove, remove the apple from the pan and keep it aside. To a saucepan, add about 1 liter of boiled milk. Next, I'm adding about 3 teaspoons of vermicelli. Mix it all well. Cook the vermicelli in the milk till it's completely done. This will take about 10 minutes. Once the vermicelli is cooked, add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Next, I'm adding cardamom powder. Add the cooked apple into the milk and mix it well. Simmer for about 2 minutes. To give it a nice mild fragrance and flavor, I'm adding 2 drops of rose essence. This is entirely optional. If you have rose water, you can add that as well. Finally, add the roasted cashews, raisins and dates and mix it all together till it's all well combined. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove. You can serve this delicious date and apple kheer warm or you can serve it nice and chilled. I'm just garnishing with some roasted cashews and raisins and also a few strands of saffron. Adding elements like dry fruits and fresh fruits makes your kheer all the more tastier and fun. This kheer is way too nourishing due to the dates. This is definitely different in terms of flavor and texture from the regular kheers that you usually make at home. So give this a try. I'll give you a couple of links to the other kheer recipes. Check them out as well. So here is this amazing dates apple kheer that we made in minutes. You can see how simple the process is and it's a perfect sweet recipe that you can try for get-togethers or small parties. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.